Hey buds! This summer I made a flour alternative from an unusual source, sunflower stalks. These guys. Now it's pretty simple. All you have to do is cut the stalks, chop them into foot-long pieces, slice them in half, scoop out the foamy-like pith, and give it a dry, and then blend it up, and you get this really exceptionally light and fluffy flour substance. Now I haven't had a chance to give it a try yet though, so since it's Nutrition Month, we are going to try one of the featured recipes for 2023, the best ever appleberry crisp. And this is from the Cookspiration website, which is a great place to go if you're looking for nutritious, dietitian approved recipes. All right, let's get to it. I don't feel like making more dishes, so we're just going to mix everything into our baking dish. And I'm using the sunflower flour, which I mentioned is quite light and fluffy. So I'm putting 2 tablespoons in the bottom there. If you sneeze or move too fast, you're probably going to have it all float away on you. Next up is about 6 cups of chopped apples, 2 cups of frozen or fresh blueberries, a 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 packed, there you go, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then mix it all together to coat it. For topping, we're going to take a bowl and add in 1 cup of oats, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of, in my case, sunflower flour, and yours it could be all-purpose flour, a 1/3 cup of wheat bran, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then we're going to drizzle that with 3 tablespoons of melted margarine. And mix it together. Okay, so there we have our topping, and we're just going to put it on top of our fruit mixture from before. Just spread it around a little bit. And there you have it. It's pretty easy peasy. Just put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes or until the apples are tender and the top is golden brown. All right, so here's our finished crisp. It smells delicious and it looks like the sunflower flour worked pretty well, but we'll give it a taste in a moment. Just remember, if you're using it, that it is like most gluten-free flour is not going to behave the same way as a traditional wheat-based flour. So let's give this a try. Well, I think the sunflower flour worked perfectly well, and it's totally free. And there's just nothing that beats a fruit crisp straight out of the oven. And next week it is Dietitian Day on March 16th, so be sure to give a little extra attention to your favorite dietitian. Happy Nutrition Month.